The largest fire in California this year is forcing thousands of people to evacuate as it destroys homes and rips through the state's dry terrain, whipped up on Sunday by strong winds and lightning storms. The McKinney fire was 0% contained as it burned in Klamath National Forest in Northern California, CAL FIRE said, spreading more than 51,000 acres near the city. It is the largest wildfire in California so far this year, with the state already battling several blazes this summer. California Governor Gavin Newsom declared a state of emergency Saturday, saying the fire had destroyed homes and threatened critical infrastructure after breaking out on Friday. More than 2,000 residents were under evacuation orders and some 200 under evacuation warnings, according to the California Office of Emergency Services. In recent years, California and other parts of the western United States have been ravaged by huge and fast-moving wildfires, driven by a warming climate.